Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a window resize to its best fit by double clicking its toolbar. So if you don't want a window to fill the entire screen, macOS also offer a zoom option for the title bar double click action. Unlike fill, zoom intelligently resize the window to its best fit based on the app and its content. This can help you quickly make a window larger without necessarily occupying all the available screen space. So if you'd like to use zoom action, here's what you need to do. First, click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock. And then click on the drop down menu right to Window title bar double click action. And choose Zoom when the menu prompt. And let me show you with an example. I open Finder. As soon as I double click on the toolbar, the window will automatically resize to what macOS consider the best fit for that application. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.